even I, that don't have a lot to brag about normally, get a very nice bust in this. Hello friends, new week, new project. This week I'm going to make something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. I am going to make a Tilly and the Buttons top. This is a Joni Dress, which I have made a couple of dresses of actually. But today I'm going to make sort of a peplum top because I'm using this gorgeous fabric. Isn't it amazing? I am going to be using that, and I don't have enough for a full dress. But I do have enough to make a top with a peplum, I think. Hopefully a long peplum, because my belly is shaped such that I guess I have an apron basically. So I would like to cover that if I can. So yeah. However, this pattern is directional, so we'll see how far I can make it last. But yeah, fingers crossed, okay? So since I have made this before, I have actually made pattern pieces. I don't never cut out the actual pattern pieces. I always do separate pattern pieces on paper. So I'm going to be using the same pattern pieces and just shorten the skirt basically as much. I'll see how much I can fit in to the amount of fabric that I have. So I'll be using the same pattern pieces that I have made previously when I've sewn this dress, and let's see how far that gets us. Time to cut some fabric. Next up, we are twisting the front. As you can see in the picture here, it has a twist here, and it makes it, gives it a very, very nice fit over the bust. I love this fit. Even I look like I have a nice bust in this. So you scrunch it up like so, and you twist it once and twice. Like so. And then we are pinning together here, and we're pinning together here. And this is a bit of a finagling process in making this process, but aside this garment. But aside from that, and just adding the neckline, that's really the trickiest things you have to do in this, whether you make a top or a dress or whatever, because this is one of the easiest makes ever, and it fits so beautifully, which is why I love this and keep making it again and again and again. So let's see if we can stitch this together, finagle it in place, and then we'll be ready to start adding the other pieces. Exciting! Here she is, the Joni top, based off of the Joni Dress pattern by Telly and the Buttons. I'm very pleased with how this turned out. Granted, I didn't have enough fabric to make a peplum, so it's more of a fitted top, but I really love it nonetheless. I really love how the bust fit. Even I, that don't have a lot to brag about normally, get a very nice bust in this. And look at the fabric. Isn't that lovely? And this is what it looks like in the back. I'm very happy with this result. The only regret I have is that I didn't buy more fabric, because I would love to have a dress in this fabric as well. But for now, I'm happy with my new top. And yeah, checkered cherries. So the pattern is very easy. It is, you can whip it up in a day, pretty much. If you have a whole Sunday to yourself, you can make a Joni top or a Joni dress in just a day. It's that easy. Mama's got some stuff happening here in the front. Maybe I would have a peplum if I lost some weight. You never know, you never know. But yeah, I feel very fancy. All right, I need to get going. I'm going to the city and do my mammogram today. I do them every 18 months. So yeah, gotta get that done. I might actually wear this top going there. I think I might do that. So that's it for this week. It's a short and sweet video because it's a short and sweet project. It takes pretty much no time at all to make. So highly recommend. and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!